Alright, here I am. I'm going to unbox the NutriBullet handheld blender. And this cost me, but with tax, $39.54 at Canadian Tire. Alright, let's open it up. Alright. Comes with a whisk. Oh, it's quite heavy. It is quite heavy. Interesting. Alright, so here it is. It is heavy compared to the one that I have, the Cuisinart, I think is the brand. Wow, okay. But that's where the motor is, I'm assuming. So, what else do they give me here? And here is, this is it steel, metal? I prefer this opposed, there's Black & Decker, they had, it was all plastic, so I was like, I don't know about that. So, I think it's pretty, so there's a little, like the, what do you call it? The attachment groove there, I guess. I don't want to break it already. Ha ha ha. Maybe I should read the instructions. But that, there's a lock, unlock. Okay. There should be an instruction booklet in here. I'll go through that. I'm gonna wash this, well, this bit I will wash. Just like run some light soap around it and everything before I use it. What is this? I think this is for the whisk. Okay. Just going by the picture here. That's for the whisk. So let's look at the booklet. User guide. So they have the user guide in French and in English. So I think I'm not gonna go through the whole thing, but I think it's pretty basic. The attachment, I already figured that out. That's what's included. The motor body, 8-inch blending arm, the whisk and whisk holder. And then it tells you the speed dial is up here, over here. A speed dial. There's low and high speed over here. And then the heavy motor. I don't, the weight part, thinking of one of those small weights. 1 pound, 2 pound, I don't know. Offhand. And then we have the whisk holder. Yeah, so they're calling this the 8-inch blending arm. And then we have the wired whisk. Even the other one, I never used this. Anyway, what else? Getting started. Before using your blender for the first time, please take a moment to perform the steps below. Unpack, clean, which I said I will off camera, and then I'll have something for the food channel so I can use it for the first time. So assembly, before starting assembling, make sure that the appliance is unplugged. Then you can attach it. It shows you here as well, the whisk. Okay. Prepare food for blending. Make sure only blendable foods are used. Remove any hard seeds, pits. Yeah, that's pretty common sense. Okay, so I don't think I'm going to go through the whole user book here, guide, but that gives me an idea, gives everyone an idea. Yeah, so I'm excited. I'm going to try this, but it's quite, I didn't realize how heavy it is, but that'll be, so there we go. Okay. All right, I want to show you what I used for a long time, and finally the motor has died. The Cuisinart. This one is so light compared to this one, okay? Just wanted to show you the difference. Even if I have this on here, the attachment. This one is, the Cuisinart is lighter, much lighter than NutriBullet. So, at least I'll be working out with this one. So yeah, so this one, the old one, that the Cuisinart, it came with this, and let me not get this mixed up. Yeah, so this is the set. This was great. So I was going through a lot of like carpal tunnel, or my wrist was feeling weak. So this helped for dicing, chopping, onions, carrots, celery, and whatever, or even making my pesto sauce. So I used to eat. So I really got a lot of use out of the Cuisinart, but that wasn't available. I couldn't find it at Canadian Tire. So, but they are, this one's retailing for around $80. Still, like, or when I got it was about 50 or between $50 to $60. Maybe I got it on sale back in the day. I don't know how long ago I bought this. Maybe about 10 years ago. So I've had good use out of this one. And I settled for this one. It was, like I said, with tax, $39, but I didn't realize how heavy it was. So let's see how long this lasts. Okay. So that's my unboxing. And then I can follow up with a review. There we go. Thanks for watching this unboxing, and we will see you on the next one. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.